What's up guys, in a man's head Oshin, and today I am going to install a new Nighthawk AC3200 wireless router. Currently you're seeing my Asus router, which is about 3 or 4 years old. The red line is actually a extender, Wi-Fi extender. The blue is my Wi-Fi itself. So as I walk towards the room where the Wi-Fi is, that blue should, maybe I'm mistaken, the red is, I have no idea. In any case, I'm gonna run a speed test. I'm outside right now. Alright, so round 3. Now I'm gonna go inside. And I'm gonna go near the extender. I get about 15. It's a TP-Link Wi-Fi extender. 17, 18, okay. Now, in the room where the Wi-Fi is, it's actually worse in here. I guess maybe the further you are from the Wi-Fi, the better. I'm not quite sure. This is my bedroom where I normally do. Okay, so as you can see, it's not that strong of a signal. It's actually stronger when we're closer to the extender, which is quite odd. So I bought this off of eBay used. Generally speaking, the price is about $300 right now for the AC3200 R8000 Nighthawk by Netgear. I bought it for about $115 after shipping. Hopefully they included the AC adapter. Looks okay so far. Manual. AC adapter. Here's the current setup. It's an Asus. Let me see if I can get the model. It worked okay for the most part. I even bought long antennas, but certain parts of the house I get lots of dead spots. As you saw in my bedroom, it's only 3 megabits per second. Our speed at the house we're paying, it should go up to 80 or 100 megabits per second. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unplug all the wires and then replug them into the new Nighthawk and turn it on, and then I will do a screen share of the setup. Alright, so I went ahead and installed the Nighthawk. And I'm going to do a speed test. Now, I am in the room as the Wi-Fi. And earlier I was getting 13 or 14 in the room. And now it's reached 86. Now let's get out of the room. This is in my bedroom. Earlier it was 20, and it's actually, so I'm getting lower speeds in the same room, and I'm getting better speeds outside. I'm across the living room. Before in this area, this is where the Wi-Fi extender was, and we were getting 30 with the Wi-Fi extender, and I've taken out the Wi-Fi extender, and without it I'm getting 55. And the very last test, I'm going outside into the backyard. This is where I usually sit. Holy cow. So, I bought a used Nighthawk AC1200, and I'm extremely happy. I usually bought $30, $40 routers in the past, and now I didn't spend as much as I would have if I bought it brand new, but I'm extremely happy. 101 outside the house.